Let's create a story on Map to explore India's top ports, pivotal for logistics and trade. Discover the routes and stories that have shaped these bustling hubs, and understand their profound impact on India's economy and global trade. Create your map story. Open the Mapstory platform, click the Create button, fill in the map's title and description, then click Save. Add points to your story. Click Add Story on the left side of the screen. Select Add Point or Search Location and add locations based on their addresses, or use the AI feature for assistance. Adjust and store views. Modify the view of each location. Change the point style and click Save. Include a title and summary for each point. Update the content settings for adding more options to the story creation. Add description and other details for the point. Upload relevant pictures. Include additional categories if needed. Choose a category for each point and click Save. Repeat these steps for all the ports you wish to include. Through Mapstory, India's top ports are vividly depicted, unraveling the intricate histories and economic significance of these trade hubs. Mapstory has applications in various domains such as education and research, tourism and hospitality, economic development, trade analysis, and more. Use the Share button to distribute your map story and let others experience the vibrant history and significance of India's top ports. Thank you for joining this exploration. If you have any queries, reach out to us at support@mapog.com.